Well, if you thought the video was going to be about the Tokyo Drift Monte Carlo, you would be mistaken. This is about the Pontiac. Ba-dum-bum. Welcome back to Dented Dreams Garage. So, this whole Pontiac, its exhaust is still factory. It's holding on by a thread. So what we are going to do is I'm going to show you what it sounds like and looks like right now. And then we are going to go ahead and toss this Thrush turbo muffler on there with some new pipes and top it off with some styling. Then we'll compare the way they sound. I'm excited.
Does that even work?
Well, when I jack it up on one side, it looks like it's got hydraulics. I do have it maxed out on the jack, but still, seems awful wonky. Alright. So, I am just going to, the rest of that exhaust looks pretty good. Obviously this wire here though needs to go. I'm just going to make a cut here to add my new exhaust system. Muffler, etc. is down there. Let's get going. I'm not going to fit. Why did I choose cars? Why? Nope, it's a ½ inch. Luckily, I brought both. That's tight. You know, it's moments like these where it's a work night and here I am doing this and I just contemplate why. Then I forget, or then I remember. I love my old Pontiac and she deserves this. Ah! She deserves this. Deserves to be fixed. Alright. I'm going to keep rinsing on this till I get it out. Lost another piece of the car. Weight reduction. Alright. That's down. I gotta cut the tailpipe though. Or, I'll show you. It's not really a tailpipe because it doesn't go to the tail. What it does do though, it's so hot. Milk was a bad choice. What it does do is the exhaust pipe missing the tailpipe exactly lines up with the hole in the quarter panel caused by the rust, combined with the holes in the trunk also caused by the rust, combined with whatever other rust holes there are. And then it sends said exhaust into the cab. So, at first it's uncomfortable, but then it becomes a very enjoyable drive.
What is wrong with you?
Woo, that's hot. I cast you out, demon. Ah, 2 cuts. I'm getting good in my old age. That's where I cut. That's not pretty. We can clean that. Clean that up, at least on the other pipe. That is a massive muffler. And an original muffler, I do believe. And look at this thing. I mean, it's been through it. I cannot believe there's actually no through holes or anything in the exhaust. But in that loop there is where the rear axle is. And that's where the tailpipe used to go. Now, most of that pipe, albeit old and rusty, is usable. If I just needed a tailpipe, I could have done that. But the reason I'm going with this thrust muffler, I'd like a little better sound too. We're not just trying to get by, we're trying to sound good. So, I'm basically going to copy what I have here, knowing that that gets me all the way over the rear axle. And then I just got to figure out a tailpipe. I got to know what it sounds like open exhaust. I just got to know. Alrighty, you're making it hard. All right, will you go? Gah. I love you, but can you let me make the video? All right. So I kind of mocked up our old and new exhaust system in the way. Okay, here's some love. Now the mufflers, different lengths. So I'm using the tailpipes as my reference point. And when I put it all together, our new system is taller than the old one. So since that's the factory exhaust system, I'm gonna get out of here, buddy. I'm gonna build it the same way. So I'm gonna take a couple inches out of that one and a couple inches out of that one and drop that pipe down so it's about the same height as the other pipe. So a couple inches, and you're just gonna lay right in my workspace. And you know I'm talking about you because I see your ears, doodler. And then this is, I measured wrong before, it's a 2 1/4 inch exhaust. So I got an adapter to go from 2 1/4 to 2 1/2. Now, other than explaining what I've done there, I will just go ahead and install this because I think everybody has seen an exhaust install at one time or another. What we care about is what that thrush muffler sounds like compared to that Leviathan. My car lift has arrived. Well, there's no Pontiac because my car lift arrived, which is this massive box right here. I'm gonna have to unpackage that later, but that's awesome. Timing worked out good. My uncle arrived with a skid loader early, which was good because the truck arrived a little over an hour early. And shoot, got the skid loader off, got the lift off, all the way into the garage, and skid loader backed up, or back loaded up in like 15 minutes. But what was crazy is right as they were pulling up, that's when I was pulling the Pontiac out of the garage. So exhaust system's done, well, ish done. Sounds good, no leaks, but I want the tailpipe to sit up a little bit higher. So I'm going to make one last cut at the very end, mount that tailpipe, and then I'll let you hear how it sounds. Hey dog. Hello there, dog. You're a dog. Wolf dog. Hello, El Camino. Doing your car truck stuff. Hello, truck bed. So, yeah, I mean, I haven't got the tip on there yet either. But I'm just sitting a little lower than I'd like. So if I cut that last pipe that comes over the axle, cut that pipe, move this all up, that should work good. And back in the garage. The lift is already in the way. Alrighty, we are done. And I even got my fancy exhaust tip. Nice shiny black one. We're up there, we're looking okay. Pretty much match the factory. That'd be a little more covered up if there was a quarter panel. But, moment of truth. Now I want to drive it around a little bit and see how she does with the suspension and the rear axle before I weld it. But I do plan on tossing some tack welds on it when I'm confident it's permanent. That sounds pretty good. It's nice actually hearing exhaust back here. I think I hear one leak right there. Alrighty, well, thus far, I'm happy with it. Obviously, I can't hear how it sounds coming back here, so I'm going to have to watch the video as well. However, it is nice actually having the exhaust go out the back of the car and not up here through this quarter panel into the cab, making me see rainbows. So, all in all, this all came from Amazon. So that was a Amazon Universal single exhaust system, Amazon exhaust tip, and then thrush muffler, got that through Amazon. All in all, it worked out pretty good. Oh, and the exhaust clamps came from Amazon. Score 1 for a budget exhaust system. What do you think, old girl? Big booty. Listening to it outside, it sounds way better. Thank you, Thrush. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Future episodes are going to include getting this car lift going. We got something absolutely crazy we're going to do with the Dart and the Tokyo Drift Monte Carlo.